Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Today I'm going to share how I created these two cards. These are pocket cards. I'll have some of the measurements for you. I used our new collection for the box of the month for April, and I used this beautiful collection here called Pink Berry Blast, and it's coordinating ephemera. I just love this collection here. I do have some of the paper and the ephemera packs for sale. You can get them together, and there's limited quantities. I'm sure these will go fast. If you're getting the box and you want to grab some extra, that's available with limited quantities. You can pick up the box. We've got another beautiful collection in the box. If you want to see all the products up close, visit my hop video. A hop is going on right now showing lots of inspiration using these products. The hop will last through the 7th. There's a little giveaway as well. I do a nice flip through of all the products in that video, so I'll have it linked in the description box if you want to check it out. And when you do join the club, you'll get another 5% off of the box, which is already discounted. So let me share those really cute cards. So what I did is I created this little mat here to go inside my little pocket. And on the back, I can write my message. I had a lot of fun breaking out all of my laces and flowers. Okay, on the inside, I did create another tag in this little pocket, and it says, "Hello, friend." This is a sentiment from our Abstract Botanicals set. And you can get that stamp set. I do have some available, just the stamp, not the bundle. If you just wanted the stamp, they have beautiful sentiments in there. So here's that cute little kitty. And then this is like a little tuck spot, so I didn't add glue in front of the kitty, just like right here. So we can have a little tuck spot, and you can take it out, and I can write something on there. And on the back, I can write something. I can put a little white mat of paper and then have my little sentiment or little thank you or whatever I want to write on there. So I also used, this is in the ephemera, "You're Very Special," and I thought it was a great sentiment. I love this girl. She is so cute with a strawberry dress on. Here's a little purse, and then I added some lace at the bottom with flowers, and then the back has some pretty paper on it. And then the other one, I didn't do a double pocket, so this one I have a little clip here, and then I have one of the ephemera pieces, and I left it so I could just tuck this in so I could take it out and write something on the back. And this is what the back looks like. You can add some goodies in this pocket, you know, something that's not too bulky. Just added a little bow here, and then a little pom-pom trim at the bottom. And there's the purse behind her, and then this little cat. And I just love the patterns. They're so pretty. So let's get into how to make this card. We're going to start off with a 6x6 sheet of paper. We're going to score it a 1/2 inch on all sides. If you're using a scoreboard, score at a 1/2 inch, 5 1/2. Then you're going to flip your paper and score it at a 1/2 inch. You're going to have score marks on 3 sides of your paper. Sorry, the camera shut off when I was doing the 3rd score, but 3 sides of your paper will be scored at a 1/2 inch. Then you're going to go into the corners and cut the corners out. This is just to miter the edges. It makes it easier when you fold. You don't really have to do this, but I find it just folds better when you do that. So you're going to score and then fold on these score lines. And then you're going to have the back side of your pocket. Now you're going to want to make the front the same size as this sheet of paper. So it's going to be a 1/2 inch smaller on all 3 sides, leaving you with a 5 1/2 by 5 inch card base. So you're going to cut out your other sheet of paper that size. So the camera did shut off when I did score all 3 sides, but I did score it on the second card. So let's go ahead and show that again. So we do 1/2 inch, and then we're going to score it at 5.5. You're going to flip it so the bottom is up there, and then you're going to score it at 1/2 inch. So now you have all 3 sides scored, and then you can miter the edges if you want, and then go ahead and press down your edges with your bone folder. So now we're going to cut our second sheet of paper. We're going to cut that down by 5.5 by 5, and that's going to fit perfectly onto your pocket base. To adhere this, I like to use some strong adhesive, something like a red line sticky tape. But before I add my sticky tape, I'm going to take one of my circle punches and punch a half circle at the top. That way when I put the little tag inside, it'll be a lot easier to pull it out. Plus, I think it gives it some interest to the front of the card. So I actually have some 2-sided sticky tape that is a 1/2 inch wide, so it's perfect to use on this project. So let's go ahead and glue these 2 pieces together and create the pocket. Now to create the second pocket, you follow the same instructions, just alter your measurements a little bit. So instead of a 1/2 inch, I'm scoring only a 1/4 inch. I'm making it much smaller in size, as you can see. Now you can use any measurements you want depending on how wide you want your second pocket. So my second pocket measures 3 and 4.25. To create the tags inside the pocket, I just cut it down just a tiny bit smaller so it fits inside. So now I'm going to take some adhesive to my second pocket here and just add it to the front of this card. So after that, just have fun decorating. Use your ephemera pieces, your laces, your flowers, your trims, and just have fun. Get out that glue gun and go crazy. So I hope you enjoyed this little project here today, and I hope you'll give a pocket card a try. If you want to make something new and get out of your comfort zone a little bit, every month we do a challenge over on the blog. Check out this month's challenge. Maybe it'll inspire you to make something new. You can link up for a chance to win a $15 gift certificate to the shop. All links will be in the description box for you. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I'll catch you real soon in the next video. Bye guys!